There's a rumble outside. Oh, thank God, it's just thunder. Not that plane that flew by so low the other day. It was so low and so loud, and I thought, oh my God, that plane's low. I hope it's not crashing. Wonder what those beautiful people on it were thinking as I heard them pass my window. My window. Oh my God, my window. 50 blocks away, 50 blocks away, 50 blocks away. It was so close. I can smell it. I can smell them. Makes me nauseous. It's so plastic, so electric, so awful. I cannot escape. Step out my front door and see the smoke, see the cameras, see the families in the missing persons line. It wraps around my block. I had to walk through them to get into Staples today. I had to get my business supplies. Oh, excuse me, missing persons line. Do you mind if I cut through? I have to go buy some pens. Didn't really say that. Just felt like an asshole. I need some pens and you need your husband, wife, son, daughter, sister, brother, friend. Excuse me, I need some pens. They have been there all day and now all night long. It's raining. Now they will be wet, waiting. I'm going to go and give them our umbrellas. Well, there were no people in the rain, just paper, missing posters, bleeding. So I covered them with clear recycling bags and tacks. A woman came by. She hanging her posters. I gave her a tack. She said thank you. She was crying with the raining sky. I covered her poster with a clear plastic bag. All those beautiful people, all ages, 118. He was last seen outside the World Trade Center at 10 a.m. Where is he? 18. I wonder if the rain feels good to the living in the wreckage. I wonder if God answered their prayers for the rain. Our chef at work used to work at Windows of the World. 15 of his friends from the restaurant are missing. There were servers up there, servers like me. Now his server friends are missing, servers like me. I wonder if I was in the World Trade Center, how I would have died. A girl asked me at work, which way would you choose? Would I jump to my death, or would I have stayed and be burned? Would I hope to have been hit quickly by the plane? Would it have been better to have been on the plane? Or if I were in the stairwell, would I have held a stranger's hand, or would I have been alone? Well, I guess I couldn't have been alone with God by my side. As you walk through the valley of death, do not fear, 'cause I am by your side, by their side. He was by their side. If I had time to call, who would I have called? God? Matt? My mom? But I wasn't there. I was 50 blocks away, 50 blocks away, 50 blocks away. I called my mom when I was 50 blocks away. She said, oh, thank God. Then she stayed on the phone while I watched live on TV the second tower fall, 50 blocks away. I went outside and I looked down the street. There it was real, not just on TV. It's still there. It's still real. It's not going away. I live in New York City, came here to follow my dreams. They're burning down there. They're burning 50 blocks away. There's a rumble outside. Oh, it's just thunder.